Hey, what's going on everyone? Jonathan Davis here with DAS on a quick progress video on our 05 LJ 50,000 original miles, completely custom Jeep top to bottom. We have a lot of work to do to this. Although we've completed a lot of work, we expect to have this thing wrapped up sometime mid-July. You're looking at a completely army green Kevlar body. We disassembled everything. We just wrapped up the Kevlar on it this last Friday. This is a Toyota 2020 Army green color. We just restored one of our XJs with a base clear coat. The color is beautiful. It's actually a little bit darker in person than what you're seeing on my iPhone right now. So all custom long arm suspension, Fox reservoir shocks, 456 gears, lockers. Everything that you see that's on it is brand new. Components are still to be added to this. We have a synthetic worn winch, all new LED lighting, tons of accessories, 37-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires on a set of matte black wheels. So once this thing's wrapped up, it's surely going to be a beast. Frame and undercarriage on this thing is absolutely perfect. On our next progress video, we'll have the flares wrapped up and installed. We'll have the 37s on. It'll really start to take form from that point on. That exhaust is not going to stay on. We'll have a full stainless steel upgraded exhaust.